Hey, this is Florian. What I'm gonna do here is the 1GR-FE. I'm gonna extract an exhaust valve, inspect it, clean it up, and replace the stem valve seal. Alright, let's see how it looks. I do not have the perfect tool for the job, but that didn't stop me to keep moving forward. Thank you, hallelujah. So I done all of them except those two right here. So that's how they look like. I protect the surface for the sealing area really good with taste. I won't scratch it. This is very important. Protect your stuff always. I'm gonna put a little stud to balance the head, and I'm gonna take this one right here. I made some improvement on my C-clamp tool. It's not the perfect tool, but I have no choice. I make here a little washer, and here like a pressing bearing so it can rotate and still put pressure at the same time. So I'm gonna put it right here on the valve, one side. Then I'm gonna clamp it here on the back side. Very careful so I won't do no scratches. Alright, so let's see this thing. Now, try to position this thing so everybody can see. So I'm closing my clamp. And it came out. Then release my clamp. Get my tool off of here. Gently remove my tool. Then this is the head, so I'm going to remove the valve. Right here, this is the one. This is the valve spring. Then I'm going to push the valve with my finger. I'm going to extract it on the other side with my hand. All right. Then what I'm gonna do, set this head nice and steady for a while. I'm gonna cover it up for a second, in a couple of minutes. And now I'm gonna grind my valve. All right. Now I'm gonna take this valve right here. All right, I got this valve in my hand. Put on my drill. Take this Scotch-Brite pad. And gently remove whatever debris is still left on it. Wipe it off. Looks good. Alright, the valve looks nice. I'm gonna put some oil on it. This valve is good to go back. Before we do that, back on the head. So Look in here. That's how it looks like. The valve still normally still in there. Want to pull it out with this tool right here. With some taste, I won't scratch it. So I pull it in. Pull out. This it is right here. The old valve still. All right, now go on the back side. A little clean up in this exhaust valve housing. Like this. You can see better how it looks. It's not too bad because I'll clean it up for the most part. But I'll do a little extra clean up. Put some PB blaster on my Scotch Brite pad. Go back in this hole. So the biggest problem with this valve stem removal is make sure you're not going to scratch your head, especially the surface area. This is like the biggest stress that this job implies, to be super careful not to scratch. Clean it as well as you can. Alright. Gonna do some brake clean. And clean up again. And this hole looks very good. Yes. I'm happy with. Alright. Next, I'll turn it around like it was. Give me this tool right here. Is a valve stem installer. Put me some oil on it, on the tip. Then we'll take a brand new, genuine valve stencil for the Toyota. Put it in my tool. Put it here, inside the hole. So let's have a look at this sucker. So that's the hole right there. Take my tool, press it in. I hear a noise like it's sliding, and then 2 taps with the mallet. That's it. And the valve stem ain't going anywhere. Now, the fun part. Install the valve back on, back of the cylinder. Alright, slap it in. Look good. Take my spring back. Then take my installer clamp tool. Very gentle, not to scratch stuff. That's the biggest stress right here, not to scratch very fine surface area. Go very nice and slow. Back on this side. And now press it in. Making room for the keepers to go in. Alright. At this point, I'm gonna put me some of this special lube. It's good stuff, ultra slick. Put this red stuff right here in the top of the valve shaft. Then I'm taking me a very fine tweezer. So I'm gonna use a tweezer. It says mechanic. Take the first clip and put it in the top right there. And take the other one, put on the other side. This is the most aggravating part, when you have the head sitting on one side, because you just want to keep holding. So you gotta be patient and readjust them as needed. Sometimes I use a little pick, kind of help myself with this. Alright, they're both in place. They look good. And now I'm gonna hold a little bit and just release motor really slow. Now adjust my keeper a little bit, because I like the two pieces to be as equal as I can. Too much, gotta put it back in there. Okay, you gotta back up a little more. Back in place. So this is the problem right here, people. I mean, if you have the right tools, you know, it's nice and dandy. But the tool ain't cheap. They're Lyle tool. So I'd rather use this, what I got, and still have it done the way I like it. Alright, it's in place and I like the way it looks. Alright, so this was the one. That's how it looks like. It's right here. It looks good to me. Both surface equal. I'm gonna mark it as done, so I won't have to go back again. That's the one I just done. God bless everybody. Have a good one.